Hey guys, welcome to Well How It Works. I'm Joe. This is the first of what will probably be two parts of the well-regulated Natchez frog build. So everything starts with a drawing, and so the concept art is actually the same art as what's on the sheath itself. And so I've got a piece of paper here that I've worked out some measurements. So the top of the button stud is a 3/8 of an inch hole. And what I'm gonna do is, I don't want the hole to be that big, so what I'm gonna do is a 1/4 inch hole with some relief cuts. That's this right here. Let me bring this in where you can see it. So there's different ways to do this depending on how many cuts, but the idea is that you punch a hole and then cut to the center. That way it can fold open and then collapse again so that the frog's not loose, but it can also be taken out and worn through the belt like this should be able to do. So there's the different ways that are options. And this piece of paper here, I've got 2.5 by 11 inches, the midpoint being 5.5 inches. And so I've got this thing basically worked out here like this, where it will fold around. But I went ahead and also put the art back on here. So this is what it will look like. And then as it folds around, this side over here, which is more flat, will fold more flatly. So let's show you how that works at the back. And then I'll have to cut this off wherever this fold needs to be. Same thing on the other side. As I work this out, this one, because of this curve right here, it has to fold at a different angle, much more acutely. And so what you get is kind of this double overfolded area, which will then have to be cut across. And I will wait till I have this in leather and then I'll work it out. And so that will be what this looks like, but this is what I'm gonna have. I'm borrowing this idea of the leaf from the Laredo build that I made. I like the leaf on the side, and I'm gonna add that to this build as well. And so that's the idea. And then I will go ahead and start building that on the next one. I will show you what we've done and how it works. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.